WOLF stock analysis and WOLF stock prediction is at a buy right now. Watch this 1 minute video till the end to find out. With Wolfspeed, it's already $1.37 level, 1% down. This is how my chart is looking like overall, and I'm here to tell you that it began with the sell side and it just continues to be sell side. Like, I really began melting, trying to sell this when it was 10 bucks. And I'm not even lying. Here's a video link proof. Like, no one else is going to share this type of proof. This is 10th of December last year, 2024. And since then, I just kind of, kept milking it. And all that to say is that I'm still looking to take it further lower. Like, I'm not saying this in a bad way whatsoever. I'm just saying that if it does pump up and gives me some sort of double break, I'm selling. No sweat about it whatsoever. So that's how Wolf is looking like. You can see that I have a lot of previous receipts even in Discord with Wolfspeed. So if you do want to learn how I'm making 5 to 10K per month trading, click the first link in the description, get my free email.